kayo po ba ay naghahanap ng isang magandang opportunity? Ayan, business opportunity, online yan. Kung naghahanap kayong online business, ayan, na pwedeng pagkakitaan kahit nasa bahay lang, pandemic proof. Pwede din pong fast moving products, yan, meron din po dito. And nagda-dropshipping na product na company, yan. Meron po si Live Good niyan, alright? Dropshipping. Kaya hindi niyo na po kailangan mag-stock sa bahay, hindi niyo na po kailangan mag-abono ng products or humiram ng products. Meron po tayong dropshipping, isend niyo lang kay customer yung link niyo para sila na po mismo umorder at si company na magde-deliver. At syempre sa napakamurang halaga na puhunan. So ito na po, welcome to Live Good. Alright, mga ma'am and sir. Okay, ang Live Good po ay located sa US and it's a US-based direct sales company focused in the wellness and digital service industry. So ito po ay located sa Jupiter, Florida. Kaya kung meron po kayong mga kamag-anak or kakilala sa Florida, pwedeng-pwede nyo pong papuntahin dyan sa may Live Good Fulfillment Center para makapagpa-feature kay Ben Glinsky, sa CEO, or sa warehouse. Ayan, alright? So our mission or the mission of Live Good is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Ibig sabihin, si Live Good po ay nagpo-promote ng health and wellness sa murang halaga, alright? Para makatipid ang masa. Ayan. Pakilala ko po sa inyo ang ating CEO, si Ben Glinsky. Siya po ay 20 years nang may experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. So Ben knows how to help people win. Ibig sabihin si Ben Glinsky po talaga, hindi po siya yung tao na or yung tao na parang nagma-manage lang, okay? Actually, he's owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. So kilalang kilala na po si Ben Glinsky sa larangan ng nutritional supplements. You can search him, okay? Pwede nyo po i-google si Ben Glinsky kung gusto nyo pong aralin pa po. Total, hindi na naman po tayo mga bata sa ganito. Alright? Pwede nyong aralin. Okay? Pwede kayong mag-research tungkol sa CEO natin. At syempre, binuo po ito ng Live Good team na sina Dr. Ryan Goodkin, Lisa Goodkin, at si Mr. Nader Kazan, ang ating Director of Network Marketing. Siya po yung gumawa ng complan ni Live Good. Alright? So ito, pakilala ko po si Live Good sa inyo. Ito po yung tinatawag nating short presentation ni Live Good pag magkaroon na po kayo ng inyong mga website. So ito po, panoorin niyo po.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple. Timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive. People are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroad. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. no questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in a highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Okay, so see you at the top, no? Grabe. From traditional networking, inalis po ni Live Good ang ganong klaseng style ng networking industry. So ngayon po, in-apply niya po yung trending. So ano ba yung trending business ngayon, Coach Team? Alright, pakita ko po sa inyo. So, share ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung 6 reasons kung bakit ka sasali kay Live Good. Okay, so first reason is the amazing products, organic supplements. Meron din po tayong mga cosmetics, okay? Meron din po tayong accessories, o meron din po tayong mga gamit-gamit. So hindi lang po siya organic supplements, mga ma'am and sir, okay? Actually, may mga plano din po na papasukin po ng iba't ibang products pa. So magiging future Amazon si Live Good. Yan, o, di ba? Galing, no? With incredible prices, yan. So mas mura compared po sa, alam niyo yun, sa mga stores, sa market. Then, no auto shipping. Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo kailangan mag-maintain ng points. Okay? Number 4 is no monthly products to buy. So, hindi nyo kailangan bumili. Yan, hindi nyo kailangan bumili, hindi nyo kailangan magbenta ng products din. Ang malupit dito, meron silang 90-day money-back guarantee. Naku, grabe ang confidence level ng Live Good talaga, mga ma'am and sir. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganto na company na kapag hindi ka happy sa product nila, pwede mo ibalik. 90-day money-back guarantee, empty bottle po yan. Pag naubos po ang product or ang binili ninyo at hindi po kayo satisfied, ibalik nyo lang po at bibigyan kayo ng refund, full refund ni Live Good. So it's the number 1 business to join as of this moment. So nag-start po si Live Good last December of 2022. And as of now, June, maraming na po talaga mga affiliates ngayon. Kung makikita nyo po, ito pakita ko sa inyo, as of April, we have 250,000 members worldwide. Okay? Then, last May, nasa 320,000 na po. And as of this moment, nasa 350 or magpo-400 na yata eh. Kaya marami na po talaga naging affiliates ni Live Good. Okay? Nag-uumpisa pa lang po tayo, kalahati pa lang po ng buwan. Okay? Alright, so ito pong si Live Good is a really great opportunity. Unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products, but about saving people money on health products, right? Kaya kung kayo po ay may passion for health and wellness, kayo po ay may passion for helping people, at hindi po kayo naghahanap ng mga get-rich-quick scheme, welcome to Live Good. Alright, so yan, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano muna kayo magiging member, okay? So ano bang benefit as a member ni Live Good? You can save up to 70%, 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies, okay? So yan po yung pwede nyo ma-save as a member of Live Good. So iba pa po ito ha, member meaning user. User po kayo ni Live Good. So how do I order products? Pwede po kayong umorder as a consumer or a member. Consumers pay retail lower prices, okay? Then members pay lower prices, all right? Kasi kung ikukumpara po ninyo ang mga products ni Live Good sa ibang market, ay sobrang mura po talaga. Lalo na pag member ka, okay? So, paano ba maging member ni Live Good, Coach Team? Yung ano lang, maging user lang ba? Gusto ko lang maka-discount. Okay. So, ang gagawin nyo lang po ay mag-register sa sponsor link na sinend sa inyo ng inyong mga sponsor. Okay? So, may send sa iyo si sponsor na link. Fill out nyo lang po yun and pwede po kayo magbayad ng pang-membership ninyo, which is $9.95 or around 560 pesos po yan. Okay? Then, syempre, pag babayaran mo yan ng annually, may discount ka dyan na 2 months. Okay? So, you can buy wholesale, all right, wholesale price or members price na. Okay? Kaya ma-enjoy nyo po yung yung discount talaga as a member of Live Good. Okay? So we have different health products, okay? So we have men's health, skincare, immunity, nutrition, body cleansing, weight management, women's health, anti-aging, energy, so wellness for all, all right? And we have the highest quality product. So the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the market or on the planet and world-class manufacturing facility. So ayan po yung mga products ni Live Good, okay? And it's made in the USA, approved by the GMP or Good Manufacturing Practice, okay? And lab tested for purity and potency. Mga ma'am and sir, pwede nyo po makita yung certification once you have your access online. So makikita nyo po yung mga certificates ng bawat product, okay? Yan, bigyan ko po kayo ng idea ngayon kung magkano ba si Live Good sa market. Okay, ito po siya. Meron po tayong tinatawag na Super Greens. Ito po ay supplement, okay, organic supplement na ang katapat po niya sa market ay si Organifi at si AG1, at si Athletic Greens. Tingnan nyo naman po yung difference, di ba? Ang laki, no? Ang laki naman save mo. Tsaka meron din po tayong para sa cosmetics, which is itong si Ageless Skin Serum. 14.95 lang kay Live Good. Pero yung mga katapat niya sa market, umaabot po ng $60 or $90. O, di ba? Then, meron din po tayong CBD oil. Ito yung pinakasikat po talaga sa US, CBD oil. Ano po siya? Pwede po siya sa may cancer, pain reliever, anti-anxiety, anti-stress. So, ito po, napaka-beneficial din po nito. $18 lang po. 750 mg. Tingnan nyo po yung difference niya, no? Ang laki ng difference talaga, sobra. Yung ibang CBD oil halos umabot na ng $100, pero kay Live Good, $18 lang po siya for members price. So, then meron din po tayong mga multivitamins for women and men. Ayan, makikita nyo po yung members price at yung retail price niya. Diba? Ang laki ng savings no kapag ikaw ay member. Yan, ito po yung mga super greens and super red natin. So don't worry mga ma'am and sir, hinahapyawan ko lang po siya. Pero once you have your access online, once you have your website up, makikita nyo po yung mga benefits po niya. So makikita nyo yung mga information niya, yung label niya, how to use. Ang dami, kumpletong-kumpleto po yan, okay? Then meron din po tayong coffee. Ay, ito yung maganda. Coffee and protein shake, yeah, or protein, complete plant-based protein whey. Yan, akong ganda po niyan. Okay, so ngayon, gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo na products po yun ha. Ang products po natin, it's optional. Hindi po kayo pipilitin magbenta, hindi rin po kayo pipilitin bumili. Okay, or mag-maintain ng points. No auto shipping nga po dito kay Live Good. Kasi si Live Good is a club membership that will pay you. Okay, yun yung kakaiba. So you can earn money as a club member of Live Good whether or not you refer other members to the program. Ibig sabihin, kahit wala po kayong mapasok dito kay Live Good, pwede po kayong kumita as a club member. Ayan, di ba nakaka-excite, no? Bakit Coach Team? Bakit pwedeng kumita? Kasi subscription-based po ang company natin. Ayan. So, hindi po siya yung traditional networking business wherein pag bumili ka ng, or pag nagbayad ka ng entry, may package ka makukuha. Hindi na po ganon. Okay? So, subscription po. Ano ba yung mga subscription, Coach Team? Ito, bigyan ko po kayo ng subscription na kilala sa US. We have Amazon Prime, Sam's Club, Netflix. Alam niyo yung Netflix, no? Disney Plus, tsaka Costco. Yan yung mga subscription companies wherein kumikita po talaga sila ng malaki. As in billions of dollars po every end of the year. Okay? Kasi dahil po sa subscription. Wala kang makukuha products dyan except kay Costco. Pero kay Costco kasi pag nagbayad ka ng membership, member ka lang. Okay? Yung products, bibilin mo sa loob pagpasok mo. Like, like SNR. Okay? Parang SNR lang. So kung familiar po kayo sa SNR or Landers, di ba magbabayad po kayo ng annual or membership fee, or sorry, membership access, pero wala kang makukuha products. Pero pagpasok mo sa loob, so makaka-discount ka, makaka-save ka sa mga products nila na pang international or pang US, okay? So yan po yung mga subscription. Dito sa Philippines, meron din tayong mga subscription. Ito, share ko lang po sa inyo. So meron po tayong kilalang-kilala na Viva Max. O yan, di ba? iFlix, Netflix, nandyan din po, si Apple TV, si Viu, Prime Video, HBO Go. So kung mapapansin nyo, nagbabayad din po kayo ng monthly subscription dyan para lang saan? Para makanood. Diba? Walang actual products, wala kang makukuha tangible products, pero may services kang makukuha sa kanila. So yan po yung sinasabi nating subscription. Okay? Kaya nako, tanggalin nyo po yung mindset nyo as a traditional networker. Okay? Subscription po ito. Alright? Ibang-iba po talaga. So just to let you know mga ma'am and sir, kung kilala nyo po si Zoom, nakilala lang to during pandemic, pero tingnan nyo naman, nung nakilala siya during pandemic, talagang pumutok po yung negosyo niya at kumita po siya ng $2.65 billion annual revenue for the year 2022. Bakit? Kasi ginagamit po talaga yung services niya dahil nga po, 'di ba, iniwasan natin yung face to face o ninilimitahan natin yung face to face. Kaya naging ano po siya, naging very common, madalas po siyang ginagamit ngayon. And meron din so again, si Netflix, which is dati, nasa 100,000 subscribers lang, or sorry, nasa 10,000 nga lang po na subscribers eh. Pero ngayon, nasa 230.75 million subscribers na po around the world. Kasi kilalang kilala na po si Netflix talaga when it comes to entertainment. Yan, okay? And of course, si Costco, kilala po ito sa US. Nagkaroon po siya ng 59 million member household and 107 million cardholders na mataas ang renewal rate, 88%, ang taas po niya na. At kumikita po sila ng 3.5 billion in membership fees. So mapapansin nyo, no, when it comes to subscriptions, billions po ang kinikita ng mga companies. Diba? Alright, kaya ito po yung pinasok ni Live Good. Okay, so tinanggal na niya yung traditional networking wherein magbabayad ka, kukuha ka ng package, may products, etc. So, inalis na po niya yan. Okay, ngayon po, subscription na po. So, as a Live Good affiliates, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Ibig sabihin, mga ma'am and sir, as a Live Good affiliate, so ang tawag na sa'yo dito ay affiliate, hindi po member. As an affiliate, so all you need to do is just to pay $49.95. That's around 2,800 pesos. So depende po ito sa rate ha. Basta $49.95, $49.95, and you will get access to membership club, digital marketing products. So magkakaroon po kayo ng 3 website to promote your business online. And you can also participate in the compensation plan. Ito yung exciting part, all right? So papunta na tayo sa compensation plan. At actually simpleng-simple lang ang compensation plan ni Live Good, pero grabe po ang kitaan, okay? Magugulat na lang po kayo. All right, so itong compensation plan ni Live Good. We have 7 ways to earn. Simple lang po. Meron po tayong weekly fast start, retail commission para sa mga nagbebenta, matching bonuses, matrix commission, influencer bonus, diamond bonus pool, and the diamond crown bonus pool. Isa-isayin lang po natin yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Mabilis lang po ito. Okay. So just to explain to you kung ano ba yung structure ni Live Good, ang structure po niya, hindi na po yung binary wherein kailangan mo ng left at right. Kailangan mong balansehin, kailangan meron kang waiting para kumita. Hindi na po ganon, okay? So ang compensation plan structure ni Live Good is will be a powered unilevel force matrix or powerful unilevel with a force matrix. Ibig sabihin, unilevel type, okay, unilevel type na force matrix. So, si system yung magpepwesto ng mga tao sa'yo. Wala na pong left at right, sino lalagay mo sa kabilang side, sino sa kabila, wala na pong ganon. So, it's infinite wide, 10 levels deep. Okay, so it's a 2x15 matrix. Okay, 15 levels deep po yan ha, 15 levels deep. So, mamaya explain po natin kung paano yan mag-work. Okay, pero umpisa natin sa first way of earning, which is the weekly fast start bonus. So 10 levels deep po ito mga ma'am and sir. Napakasimple. Okay, ang fast start bonus is a one-time $25 bonus from all new direct that join you and paid the $49.95. So ibig sabihin, bibigyan ka ni company ng 50% commission pag may napapa-member ka. Ayan, o di ba? Grabe no, 50% commission. Ang laki nun ha. Para sa maliit na entry, tapos 50% ang bibigay sa ni Live Good. Grabe naman 'yun. So dito, hindi mo na kailangang maghintay ng pairing. Once na makakuha ka ng direct mo, automatic may $25 ka or tumataginting na 1,400 pesos agad-agad. O di ba? Unlike sa ibang companies, mga ma'am and sir, just to share to you, pag maghintay ka pa ng pairing, magkano pairing? 200, 500 pesos. Tapos may direct referral, 100, 200, o di ba? Dito diretso na. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy. Pag kuha mo ng direct mo, automatic $25, 1,400 pesos agad-agad. Alright? So unlimited po yan, okay? Unlimited direct referral po yan. Mas marami, mas maganda. So ito po meron po tayong sinusundan na ranks para mas malaki yung kikitain mo. Okay? So meron po tayong bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, tsaka crown diamond rank. At ang good news mga ma'am and sir, hindi nyo kailangan maglabas ng pera para maging bronze, silver, gold, etc. rank. Okay? Kailangan mo lang maglabas ng effort. Sipag lang. Okay? Pinakamadali ang bronze at silver. Si bronze po, kailangan nyo lang ng 2 direct members. Yun lang po at makakuha na po kayo ng bronze rank. O, di ba? So, sabihin natin, family members mo, nanay mo, tatay mo, anak mo, asawa mo, di ba? Pasok mo. Bronze rank ka na po niyan, okay? Silver, kailangan mo lang ng 10 direct. Yung 10 direct mo, kailangan lang din nila ng tigda 2 direct. So, magiging silver rank ka na po niyan. Alright? Sa gold naman po, 30 personal direct and a total of 100 active members, mag-gold rank ka na po niyan. So, pag na-reach mo na yung gold, susunod na lang po yung platinum, diamond, and crown diamond. Okay? So, ano ba benefit niyan? Coach Tim, ano ba benefit ng bronze, silver, gold, platinum? Ano ba benefit ng mga ranks na yan? So, ito po yung benefit niya. Oh. Matindi po ang benefit. Okay? So, dito po kasi kay Live Good, pwede kang hindi gumalaw. Alright? Pwede ka namang hindi gumalaw. Alam mo yun, mag-chill ka lang, hintay ka lang ng spillover. Kasi nga po, ano to eh, one account policy po tayo dito. So, hindi po tayo, yun, alam niyo po yung traditional networking na multiple accounts para mas malaki yung kikitain mo. Dito, hindi. One account policy, pero kung gusto mo kumita ng malaki, ang kailangan mo gawin ay maghanap ka ng maraming direct. Diba? Napaka-fair, no? Imbis na mag-multiple accounts ka, mag-multiple direct members ka. O, di ba? Mas panalo po 'yun. Okay, so paano ba 'to? Pag unrank ka, ang unrank po, yung po yung mga wala tamang lang, tamang pwesto lang po, okay? Yan po yung pwede nyo kitain, yung level 1, pag kumita ng, pag makakuha ka ng direct referral, so you get $25. Okay, ganun lang ka-basic. Pag may nagpa-member sa'yo at unrank ka, $25. Pero pag nag-bronze ka, yung direct mo, pag nakakuha siya ng direct niya, may $5 ka. O may level sa level 2 mo. Tapos pag nag-silver rank ka, yung direct mo, pag nakakuha ng direct niya, may $2.50 ka. So, hanggang level 10 po yan. Okay? Kaya maganda po talaga may rank po kayo dito. And madali lang po talaga gawin yan. Okay? So, bigyan ko po kayo ng example. So, for example, ikaw po yan. That's you. Nagbayad po kayo ng $49.95 to activate your account para maging affiliate ni LiveGood. So, syempre, mag-umpisa ka sa unranked. Okay? Mag-umpisa ka sa unranked. So, sabihin natin, nakakuha ka ng first direct mo, kaibigan mo. So, automatic, meron kang $25 nung nagbayad siya ng $49.95. Okay? Tapos medyo ginanahan ka, nakakuha ka na naman ng isa pa. You get another 25, okay? Then sinipag ka, nakakuha ka na naman ng isa pa. Another 25, and pag sinisipag ka talaga at maswerte ka, makakakuha ka ng unlimited na $25, okay? So, pa-wide po yan ha, unlimited. Kahit ilang pong direct makuha nyo, pwedeng-pwede. Dito nga po, sabi ko nga po sa inyo kanina, single account policy, pero kung gusto mo kumita ng malaki at marami, aba, humana po tayo ng maraming direct members lang. Yun lang yung katapat nito, okay? So ngayon, pag nakakuha ka ng 2 direct members mo, syempre, bronze rank ka na. 'Di ba? So, 4 yung nakita mo eh. So, malamang bronze ka na yan. Ngayon, since bronze rank ka na, pag yung mga direct mo, nakakuha ng mga direct nila, so for example, yan, nakakuha siya ng 2 direct niya, automatic, meron kang $5. Okay? Ngayon, si second direct mo, nakakuha din ng 2 niya. May tigpa $5 ka ulit. Si third direct mo, nakakuha din ng 2, may tigpa $5 ka na naman. At yung fourth direct mo, makakuha ng 2, may $5 ka ulit or tigpa 5, di ba? Yan, ganyan po kaganda yung kita dito. Yan. So wala ka nang ginawa diyan, alright? Sila na yung naghanap ng direct nila. Now, what if kung silver ka? Okay, pag silver ka, yung direct ng direct mo, pag yan nakakuha ng direct nila, yan, makakuha ka naman ng tig $2.50. Ayan, so unlimited $2.50. Kung ilan man ang nakuha mong direct, yun din ang makukuha mong bonuses sa mga direct nila. So depende sa rank ninyo. Basta as long as may nakukuha sila, up to the 10th level at depende sa rank mo, may makukuha kang bonuses. Alright? So kahit gold pa yan, pag nag-gold rank ka, naku, grabe po yung level po niyan. Kahit pa $1 lang po yan. Yan, $1. Unlimited po yan ha. Walang limit, walang katapusan. Kung ilan po yan nakuha nyo. Tuloy-tuloy lang po yan. So up to the 10th level or up to 10th level rank, matrix. So depends on your rank. So ganyan po yun, yung weekly fast start natin. So literally weekly, so every week, ibibigay yan ni LiveGood, papasok po yan sa account nyo, and it can be transferred to your credit wallet or to your bank. So pwede pong pwede pong ilipat sa local bank account nyo. Okay? Alright. So ngayon, next tayo dito sa 2x15 matrix commission. Yan. So ito naman po yung monthly. So ito po yung nagbabayad na ng subscription yung mga members mo. Alright? So the matrix commissions are 25 cents from each active members that pay their monthly membership of $9.95. So sabihin na natin yung mga members mo, nakabuo ka ng maraming downlines, every month magbabayad po sila ng $9.95, syempre kasama ka na doon, okay? Yan po yung makukuha niyong commission. May tigta 25 cents po kayo dyan. Dollars po yan ha, dollars. Alright, so paano ba mangyayari yan, Coach Team? Ito, pakita ko po sa inyo. So sabihin natin, power of 2 tayo, okay? Dalawa lang kailangan mo. In 12 weeks. So sabihin natin ikaw yan, okay? Sa first week mo, nakakuha ka ng first 2 members mo. Ayan. So kung yan lang yung nakuha mo for the month, ang pwede mo kitain dyan ay 50 cents. So yan, pwede na yan ha. Alright. Anyway, pag yan dalawa mo, sabihin na natin sa next week, naghanap ng dalawa yung dalawa mo. Ayan. So apat na sa second level, ang kita mo na is $1.50. Yan. Kasi pagsasamahin po yan for the month eh. Okay? Now sa third week, okay, yun apat mo, naghanap din ng tigda dalawa nila. So sa third week mo may 8 na. Okay, so that's a total of 12 or 14 pala. 14 people, all right, from your first level to third level. So meron ka ng $3.50. Then sa fourth week mo, dumadami na, naka 16 na yung fourth level mo. Okay? So meron ka ng total na $7.50. O, di ba? Konti na lang. Mababawi mo na yung monthly mo. Kaya yung dalawang tao na kuha mo, pwedeng-pwede na yan, alright? Para lumaki yung group mo, di ba? Kahit tamad ka, sabihin natin na bigyan ka ng spillover ni upline, dalawa, alright? Eh, what if yung dalawang spillover masipag, ay, ang swerte mo niyan, okay? Basta dalawa lang po ang binibigay ni upline, alright? Yung system para sa'yo. So for example, kakapasok mo lang, wala ka pang downlines, bibigyan ka ni system ng dalawa. Tapos yung dalawang binigay sa'yo, bibigyan din ng dalawa ulit. Alright? So ganun po yun, ganun ka-powerful yung ating force matrix. Okay? So bibigyan ka ng tigda dalawa downline. Okay? Spillover. Okay. So tuloy po natin to. Alright? So mapapansin nyo, no, palaki ng palaki ang grupo mo dahil lang sa dalawang tao. So pagdating ng 8th week or pang second month mo, kung tuloy-tuloy po ito so this is just a feasibility, kung tuloy-tuloy po ito, pwede ka nang kumita ng $127.50. Lalo na kung lahat sila masipag at meron silang same vision na katulad mo na gusto talagang makakuha ng dalawang tao sa loob ng isang linggo. Okay, dalawa lang po yan sa loob ng isang linggo Tingnan niyo po yung impact niya. Pwede po kayong kumita up to $2,047.50 and that's your potential earnings per month na po yan. Kaya hindi po tayo masisiro dito. Kasi every month, magsusubscribe yung ating mga members for $9.95 at yung 25 cents po doon mapupunta sa ating commission. Alright? So partida po yan. Unranked po kayo niyan Unranked kasi binigyan ka lang ng spillover ni upline. Pero what if nag-bronze ka? Kumuha ka ng dalawa, bronze rank ka. O di syempre, mas malaki pa yung makukuha mo. Ito yung makukuha mo. Ayan So pag unrank ka, yung tamang pwesto ka lang, wala kang kinuhang members, binigyan ka lang ng spillover ni upline, hanggang $2,047 ka lang per month. Pag na-maximum na po yung matrix ninyo. Pero pag bronze ka, magta times 2 po yan, bronze and silver. Okay, so magkakaroon ka ng level 13. So kikita ka ng up to $4,095 per month. Pag napuno yung matrix mo hanggang level 13. Pag gold or platinum ka naman, hanggang level 14 ka, which is times 2 na naman. So kikita ka ng $8,191. At pag nag-diamond ka, which is the last level, level 15 or the maximum level, level 15, ang kita mo ay $16,383 na po. So nagta-times 2 po siya. Kaya maganda po talaga mag-push po kayo sa ranking. Okay? Ayan. Ngayon, ito yung paborito ko sa lahat. Ito yung malupit. Matching bonus. Okay? So sa matching bonus, 5 generations deep, ang sistema po nito ay kikita ka ng 50% sa direct members mo. So the matching bonus is a monthly bonus of 50% from what your direct earn every month from their matrix. Ibig sabihin kung ang mga members mo, ayan, ganito po siya. So sabihin na natin ang isang member mo kumita ng $1,000, alright? Sa loob ng isang buwan or sa end of the month, kumita siya ng $1,000. Sa $1,000 may 50% ka diyan. So may makukuha kang $500. O di ba? Ganun kalupit yung matching bonus natin. So pakita ko po sa inyo yung diagram. So again, ikaw to, nakuha niyo yung apat na direct nyo kanina. So meron kang apat na direct members. First direct, second, third, and fourth. Sabihin na natin, okay, so unlimited po yan naalala nyo pa yan unlimited. Kung ilan man yung direct mo, ganun kalaki yung kikitain mo. Kasi sa ibang company, mga ma'am and sir, ang sistema is kung ilan yung accounts mo, ganun kalaki ang kikitain mo. Tama? So dito po hindi. Single account, pero kung gaano karami yung direct mo, ganun kalaki ang kikitain mo. So napaka-fair po, no? Ang ganda. So dito, for example, yung first direct mo, sa loob ng 2 taon or 1 taon na lang, sige sabihin na natin 1 taon, nabuo niya yung matrix niya at kumikita po siya ng $2,048 per month, may 50% na commission ka dyan. Okay? So bibigyan ka ni Livegood na sa end of the month ng $1,024. Yan, papasok po yan sa'yo. Okay, dediretso po yan sa'yo. Ngayon yung second direct mo, sabihin natin kumikita siya ng $1,500 per month, may 50% ka ulit yan, so that's $750. Mapupunta na naman yan sa'yo. Tapos yung third direct mo, sabihin natin medyo nahuli siya, so kumikita siya ng $500 per month. Ang 50% ng 500 ay $250, mapupunta pa rin yan sa'yo. At yung fourth direct mo, medyo nahuli, kumikita ng $100 per month, may 50% ka pa rin dyan or $50 at mapupunta pa rin yan sa'yo every end of the month. So depende kung magkano ang kita ng direct member mo. So kung ilang direct ka, naku, mas malaki talaga ang income mo. Okay? So ganun kagrabe po to. So more direct, more income. Kakaiba po, no? At ang maganda, meron po siyang 5 generations deep. So for example, sa first generation mo, kung wala kang rank, 50% ang direct mo. Pero pag silver rank ka, may additional 10% ka. Okay? So, pag bronze level ka, pag bronze ka, ang direct makukuha mo sa matching bonus ay 50% from your direct. Okay? Ngayon, pag nag-silver rank ka, may additional 10% ka. So, ibig sabihin, kung silver rank ka at kumita yung direct mo, may 60% ka na. Ngayon, pag gold ka, may additional 5%. So, that's 65%. Okay? Pag platinum, may additional 5% ka ulit. So, that's 70% na. At pag diamond ka, that's additional 3%. So, meron kang 73% bonus, matching bonus from your direct members na. O, di ba? Grabe po, no? First generation po yan. Second generation, ayan, makikita nyo, silver, may 10% ka. Tapos, pag gold ka, may additional 5%. So, that's 15%. Pag platinum ka, additional 5%. So, that's 20%. And pag diamond ka, that's additional 3%. So that's 23% commission from your second generation up to the 5th generation na po yan. Kaya based on the rank you are, this will determine how many generations you can earn each month. Ito yung nakakilabo talaga, grabe, no? Okay, so kung ito po mangyayari sa inyo mga ma'am and sir, sabihin na natin bigyan ko po kayo ng another feasibilities. Dito po sa 2 direct referrals, family account ang tawag natin. 2 direct referral, magpasok ka lang ng 2 family member mo. Then let's say after 2 years, na-max out na po yung matrix nila. Okay? Napuno na yung matrix 2 years from now. So kikita po yung bawat isang account ng $4,095. Okay? So ikaw po 'yan. Sorry, pag ikaw po 'yan, kikita ka ng $4,095 a month. Okay? Ngayon si family member 1 at si family member 2, they will also earn $4,095 per month. So ibig sabihin, since meron kang matching bonus every month from 2 family members, may 50% ka sa $4,095, that's $2,047.50. So kung ito-total nyo po sila, kikita po kayo ng monthly $10,238 for the 3 family account. O di ba? Hindi na nakakahiya yan or hindi na nakakaniyan ha. Hindi na maganda rin kita na ganyan. Okay, malaki-malaki na po yan. So that's 573,000 pesos na po monthly. Naku, ang saya ng family na ganyan, no, na may ganyang income. Okay, so sabihin na natin, masipag ka, alright? Pero masipag ka, pero yung mga members mo, tama lang, conservative lang sila, okay? So you got 30 direct referrals, okay? Sabihin natin yung 30 direct referrals mo, nakakuha lang sila ng tig 256 members, okay? So yung 30, may 256 members. So si 30 mo, kumikita sila ng $64 per month, okay? So computein natin yan. Siyempre, may matching bonus ka, may $32 ka sa bawat direct mo. Okay, kasi kumikita sila ng $64 per month eh. So ano ba kalahati ng 64? $32. So $32 per direct referral matching bonus. So that's $32 times 30 members. May kita po kayong $960 or 53,781 pesos per month. O, di ba? Pero tingnan nyo ha, i-compute natin yan, yung 256 members na yan times 30 members. So kumusta naman yung matrix mo? So ibig sabihin meron kang 7,680 na members down the line. Ibig sabihin pala niya na max mo na yung level 12 na matrix. So kung kikitain o kung i-compute natin yan, kung i-compute natin yan 7,680 na members na magbabayad ng $995 per month. So that's may makukuha kang 0.25 cents per month. May makukuha kang $1,920 per month. So that's 107,562 pesos. I-add mo yan sa 53,781. So you'll be earning a total of 1,060 or sorry, 160,000 pesos. So, di ba? Grabe, no? Ang laki kasi ng mga figures, kaya medyo nalilito na si Coach Team. Pero yan po yung pwede nyong kitain. Okay? So, you just need to do the math. Kasi ano po to, numbers game lang naman po itong si Live Good eh. The more direct, the more earnings. Okay? Basic lang po. Ganun kasimple. Okay? So, ngayon, sabihin na natin yung 30 direct mo na maximum na nila yung bawat level nila. Masisipag po kasi sila. Sabihin natin after 3 or 5 years, okay, na max na po yung level nila. So, bawat isang direct mo, okay, bawat isang isang direct member mo, kumikita ng $2,047 per month. Kalahatiin nyo lang po yan. Okay, ano ba yung 50% ng 2,047? That's $1,023.50 per direct referral. Okay? So, i-multiply natin yan 1,023.50 sa 30 direct mo, you'll be earning $30,705 per month or tumataginting na 1,720,186 pesos per month. Sobrang laki po niyan. Grabe mga ma'am and sir, hindi pa nga nauubos yung 1,000,000 mo last month. May 1,000,000 ka na naman, di ba? Alright, ganyan po ayan po yung naghihintay sa inyo kay Live Good pag marami po talaga kayong direct members, okay? Kaya wag na po kayong maghintay ng spill. Kung kaya nyo naman maging create or kayo na mismo yung gagawa ng spillover para sa mga members mo, okay? Ayan. So ngayon, ito po, bigyan ko rin po kayo ng idea kung magkano din ang pwede nyong kitain kapag nagbebenta po kayo. O, di ba? So dito po may bonus po kayo pag nagbebenta po kayo. May 50% retail commission po kayo sa sales ninyo. Alright? So the retail commission is a 50% bonus of the difference between the member's price and the retail price. Pero ang maganda po dito mga ma'am and sir, may kita pa po kayo sa mga benta ng mga direct mo depende sa rank mo. Kaya maganda po talaga mag-rank up dito kasi kahit yung downline mo, pag nakabenta po yan, may commission ka ulit. Okay? Ayan o, hanggang 10th level, 10 levels deep, infinite wide. Kaya depende po talaga sa rank ninyo. Okay? Then meron din po tayong tinatawag na influencer bonus. So dito pwede ka kumita up to 100% of the difference between members price and retail price. Pwede nyo po gawin to sa mga madalas mag-promote sa TikTok, sa YouTube, sa Reels, sa Facebook. At pag malakas po ang benta nila, talaga namang mag-i-impact po yan or malaking commission po ang makukuha ninyo. Okay? Then, meron po tayong tinatawag na Diamond Bonus Pool. Alright, mga ma'am and sir, kung kayo po ay nasa Diamond rank, every end of the month, bibigyan po kayo ng 2% of the total sales from all membership and product sales. I-divide po yan equally among all Diamond rank affiliates and it will be paid end of the month. Okay? Grabe po yan. Lalo na pag nag-Crown Diamond ka. Pag nag-Crown Diamond ka, may makukuha ka pang 0.5% on top of the Diamond rank. So, same lang po siya ng Diamond rank. Pero dito, makakuha ka na naman ng another 0.5% total sales from all membership and product sales. And this is divided equally among all Crown Diamond rank affiliates. And it is paid monthly. Kaya hindi tayo mazisiro every month. Naku, ang saya po kaya nun. Kasi sa ibang companies, mga ma'am and sir, minsan na zero ka talaga. As in, minsan nga, hindi naman sa zero, pero mababa talaga ang kita mo. Dito po kay Live Good, hindi po pababa ang income. Pataas. Okay, pataas po ang income dito. At darating po ang time talaga na talagang pantay-pantay po ang ikita natin dahil po sa monthly commission na to. Ang maganda naman kasi diyan, hindi tayo na zero. So it depends also kung gaano karami ang direct members mo, o di ba? So instead of you making multiple accounts or buying multiple accounts, hindi niyo po kailangan na maglabas ng pera. Ang kailangan niyo lang ilabas dito ay effort, okay? Kailangan niyo lang sipagan, mas maraming direct, mas malaki ang pwede mong kitain. Okay. So ngayon bigyan ko po kayo ng top 4 reason kung ba't magjo-join kayo kay Live Good, okay? The fourth reason, si Live Good po kasi, dito po ako nagulat, simple lang ang kitaan niya, pero powerful at lucrative po. Ibig sabihin mga ma'am and sir, grabe nakakaloka, okay? Nakakaloka ang kitaan niya. Simple lang, di ba? Simple lang, walang pairing, walang unilevel na points, walang etc. Talagang direct lang po, okay? Marami ka lang direct, mas malaki ang pwede mong kitain. Okay? Ganun lang ka-basic. Then, the third reason, marketing system, tools and training, lahat online na po. Sa bahay ka lang, manunood ka lang, magte-training ka lang, at maintindihan mo na siya. At sa sobrang simple ng kitaan, mga 2 or 3 weeks nyo lang aralin, pwede nyo lang i-present agad-agad. Di ba? The second reason is yung product po niya. So, high quality, very affordable health products na mabibili sa market at hindi po pwedeng basta-basta ibaba ang presyo dahil nga po na drop shipping po ito. So basically, diretso galing sa warehouse. Okay? Pag sinend nyo po yung shopping link nyo sa customers nyo, hindi na po yung dadaan sa'yo. Dadaan sa warehouse na lang po yung manggagaling at si Livegood na po yung magde-deliver kay customer mo. Pagtanggap ni customer at pagbigay ng bayad, maghihintay na lang po kayo ng commission na papasok sa account nyo. Okay? Ganun ka-easy. And the number one reason is, ito yung the best. We just officially launched globally. Napakabata pa po ni Livegood. 5 months pa lang po. So today is June 9, alright? So today is June 9. Sobrang bata pa po ni Livegood. Si 6 months pa lang po dito sa Philippines. Kaya it's the perfect time to join, okay? Huwag nyo na pong masyadong isipin, huwag na pong masyadong i-analyze. Sa halagang $49.95, $49.95, that's just 2,800 pesos. Ano bang mawawala diyan, 'di ba? Ano bang mawawala diyan? Naglabas ka nga ng ng 4,000, ng 8,000, ng 10,000, 50,000. Tapos dito 2,800 lang ilalabas mo, ngayon ka pa nagduda. O, 'di ba? All right. So yan po, dapat i-prioritize niyo po ito talaga. Kasi kaka-start lang po ng company and usually sa ganitong business, dapat po talaga ikaw yung nauna or pumipwesto ka na agad-agad. Okay? So makikita nyo lang, di ba? Para po tayong tip of the iceberg. Yung nasa taas, tayo po yung first 5 million subscribers ni Livegood. Okay? Tapos mga susunod po ay 1 billion subscribers. Di ba? Joining in 3 to 5 years. Sabihin na natin ilang billion bang population sa buong mundo na posible mag-subscribe kay Livegood dahil gusto lang nila makasave ng money, gusto nila makasave sa mga supplements, sa accessories, sa iba't ibang products. Kaya marami po talagang magiging affiliate or members ni Livegood. And ang good news po dyan, approximately within 2 to 3 years or in 2 to 3 years time, magkakaroon po tayo ng more than 200 products. So magiging future Amazon website po tayo. Okay? Ayan. So kaya ngayon, mga ma'am and sir, sa nanonood ngayon ng video na to, mamili po kayo sa tatlo. Are you a letter A? Okay? Do you want to become an affiliate member? An affiliate member, ito na po yung all-in. Okay? Letter B, I want to become a member. So yun ang member, ano lang po, makakasave lang po kayo, discount, okay? Walang kitaan, pero makakasave ka talaga. Or letter C, I want to become a retail customer. So retail customer, wala kang kita dito, pero wala ka ding discount, pero makakamura ka. Okay? So yun po yung maging retail customer ka. So letter A, B, or C, mamili po kayo dyan, okay? Decide now, kasi importante po talaga ang timing sa gantong negosyo. So just get back with a person that invited you and let them know if you are an A, B, or C. So sa nag-share sa iyo ng video na to, balikan niyo po siya, decide, sabihin niyo sa kanya kung ano gusto niyo. Gusto niyo po ba maging affiliate, maging member lang, or bumili lang ng products? Pero I highly recommend si letter A talaga. Okay? Nasa iyo naman po yung desisyon. Magpasalamat na lang po tayo sa nag-share nito sa iyo kasi for sure, di ba, naghanap ka ng opportunity para kumita. So pasalamat po tayo sa sponsor natin or sa nag-share ng video na to sa iyo kasi naging tulay siya para mabigyan ka ulit ng pagkakataon na kumita ulit sa bahay lang, 'di ba? Kumikita ka ng dollars na nasa loob lang ng bahay. So napaka-sosyal. Okay? Ayan. So again, maraming salamat. Again, this is Coach Team. Pwede niyo pong i-visit ang Livegood website. So that's www.livegood.com. Or you can just simply click the link of the sponsor, yung referral link ng sponsor na nag-send sa'yo nitong video na to.